We are always told that the ultimate goal in the life is to find a secure job, climb the ladder, and retire with a pension. It's a standardized life script. Everyone says it, everyone expects it, and if you question it, you are called reckless. But here is the uncomfortable truth: the security you are chasing is actually the riskiest thing you can do. You are trading your most valuable asset, means your time, for a paycheck that doesn't even keep up with the world. You are playing a game where the rules were written by the people who benefit from you staying exactly where you are. Think about the psychology of salary trap. The system doesn't want you to be financially sovereign. It wants you to be dependent. Why? Because a dependent employee is easy to control. They have convinced us that security means a steady monthly deposit. But true security is not salary, in my viewpoint. True security is optionality, the ability to pivot, to survive without a boss, without a company, and to create value that the market actually wants. We have been conditioned to fear the market as if it's a monster, when in reality, the market is just a mechanism for the value exchange. By avoiding the market and clinging to a job, you are not being safe. You are just outsourcing your financial survival to someone who can fire you with just an email. So, how do you break the trap? You start by changing your definition of wealth. Stop looking at your salary as your net worth and start looking at your skills, your network, and your ability to solve the problems as your true currency. A salary is a ceiling, a skill set is a floor. The silent rebel doesn't aim for the comfort of a cubicle, they aim for the freedom of self reliance. So, stop trying to find the safest job and start building the most valuable version of yourself. Because the only real security in a changing world is not a desk, it's the knowledge that no matter what happens, you can create value from nothing.